one of the most important areas of practice, for me anyway, is the custody and parenting time issues that arise for our clients. Nothing's more important than your children. We understand that, we appreciate that. I have children of my own. So I can certainly understand the emotional aspect that goes along with contested custody and visitation issues. One of the things that we try to do here is eliminate any angst and animosity that the parties may have for one another as much as possible. Understanding that they're going through, again, a very difficult emotional time in their life, those folks are going to be connected through their children for the rest of their children's lives. I explain to my clients there's going to be birthdays, there's going to be graduations, there's going to be weddings, there's going to be grandkids. At the end of the day, both parties, for their sake and for their children's sake, have to be able to be in the same room with their children as they progress through life. So it's very important, and I think sets the stage for what the parties' relationship is going to be like with one another once they've moved on from each other. So keeping the children as insulated as possible is very important. A lot of times clients will say, my son or daughter wants to live with me, I want to bring them in to talk to you and tell you that. I want to have my child talk to the judge so that he or she can tell the judge exactly what's going on. And my response to that is always the same. We're not even close to that. We want to insulate the children. We certainly don't want children to remember as part of their childhood that their parents went through a divorce and that they were stuck in the middle, maybe even having to choose sides. That's about the worst thing that we can do to a child. So we keep them insulated. I encourage the client to keep them insulated, and I insist that the other side and my adversary keep the children insulated during custody and parenting time issues. So we design the process to help the parties come to an agreement regarding those very important issues. We'll have settlement conferences with me and my client and the other parent and their attorney. Again, I think it's important that I put myself in the client's chair. I've paid attention during my career. I've paid attention to what's important to the clients, and I try to accomplish those goals.